Hey guys, welcome back. Drip Coach here with Drip and Farm for Poverty, where we don't trust, we verify, and operate with integrity and transparency. Today we got an update on World Liberty Fi. I know a lot of you guys are not in this, and there's not much going on as of yet, but we do have some movement. So let's dive into that after this.
Every minute you wait, Bitcoin climbs higher. The difference between success and regret? Taking action now. At Drip2BTC, you get more than just Bitcoin. You get growth, security, and peace of mind. Buy Bitcoin, deposit it, and watch your future transform. No risk, no reward. Start earning at Drip2BTC.com.
All right, this had a lot of hype behind it initially, but not much has come from it since. If you're not familiar with this, basically this was we'll call it a token, but it's a project that Donald Trump's sons and some other affiliate partners created, and it's supposed to eventually be a decentralized platform similar to Aave, using Aave's V4 tech in the background to allow you to borrow and lend against your crypto. And they mentioned also about going into real estate and RWAs, because as you might know or should know, the Trump family is big on real estate. But as of right now, nothing has happened from this, and they didn't even raise the money they thought they were going to raise. So I thought there would have been a lot more piling in, but they didn't even get to the market cap that they wanted to. For right now, this token is essentially a meme token with no value. So like there's nowhere for you to swap this if you did buy it or buy it now. You're just sitting on it with it in your wallet and no value whatsoever, because the people behind this platform had to quote unquote do it correctly. So you had to be a accredited investor in the US or be outside the US, and it is being listed or shared as only a governance token with nothing else about it. And the big news that has happened though is Justin's son, the founder of Tron, he's been in the game for a long time, and he decided to invest $30 million in World Liberty Financial. It says, we're honored to have the support of Justin's son and Tron DAO. Together, we're driving innovation, aligning on a vision for stronger blockchain future, contributing to the growing ecosystem. Exciting times ahead. We're thrilled to invest $30 million, this is from Justin's son, in World Liberty Financial. As its largest investor, the U.S. is becoming the blockchain hub, and Bitcoin owes it to real Donald Trump. Tron is committed to making America great again and leading innovation. Let's go. So Tron Chain is like one of the OG DeFi chains that were out there. It's still there. Still got a very strong narrative, strong community, but a lot of people have piled into the other chains since then. But Justin's son has the capital, clearly, and him putting up 30 million of capital to support this, just for me gives this brings some attention back to this, to say that it's actually moving forward. Now, before the election, this was kind of just all about hype, and they have 113,000 people in their Telegram, and they had a decent amount on their X following. 195,000. So I thought it would be doing better than this. After the election, a few more people trickled in and bought this. And the last time I looked, I think it was like 1.5 billion. I don't know if the 30 million that Justin put in went to buy these tokens or what the case is. But either way, I do believe this will turn out to be a decent platform with some opportunities once we get into Trump's inauguration. So somewhere around the middle to end of first quarter next year, I expect to see something with this. Not sure if it'll be launched or not, but I would imagine they definitely want to have this launched before the bull run ends. Now, big caveat, I don't know how much I would trust this platform. The devs behind it or some of the spokespersons behind it were in other projects that failed and had exploits. And this is supposed to be a DeFi platform. So I would not be, if I do dabble, it'll be a very small percent, because remember, not your keys, not your crypto. So I would not be putting all of my Bitcoin or any other tokens on this platform to borrow against, I would test it out with a very small amount, 10% or less, and see how it goes. Platforms like PancakeSwap have been around for a while. They don't have that borrow and lending capability, but Aave does, and it has that ability. So I would wait for it to get some more adoption and see how it plays out before I actually decide to do a larger amount. But the main news is that it's getting some attention, and 30 million is a significant amount. It's not a flash in the pan kind of investment. So I wonder how many other angel investors and things of that nature will see this and be starting to pile in come next year. I think a lot of people are still kind of waiting on the sidelines. You still have the end of the year, then you'll have tax harvesting, all this stuff. And then you got to get Trump into office and get him to actually start executing against the things he said he would do. So there's still a lot of runway for all these types of projects, but the money is made at the beginning of the opportunity. You don't pile in afterwards. Now, I don't know if there's actually any money to be made on this because there's no liquidity tied to it. I'm assuming that later on, after this launches, there will be liquidity tied to this token pair, because once all the governance tokens are sold, if people want to get rid of their governance token, there has to be a way to do that. So I believe after this is launched and the tokens are all out, then the team will add some liquidity so that these tokens can be traded. They can't do that initially because of the SEC rules, things of that nature. But after the fact, they definitely could and probably will. So it is 100% speculative. Think of it right now as just a meme gambling with no utility, but possibility into the future. You can see down here, I have 13,000 World Liberty Financial tokens, and they're at a penny and a half a piece. So that is the update. Nothing to really call home about, but it is something, since there has been no announcements and anything since the 14th of them using Chainlink. And now we're 2 weeks later with this announcement with Justin Sun. So we'll see what happens after this, but that's about it. Nothing more you can really do with any of this. All right, smash that HBO special, help a brother out, like, subscribe, comment down below, and until next time, lift daily and achieve your impossible. See ya.
Want to pay your in real life bills with crypto? How about send crypto directly to anyone with a bank account? Spritz Finance is a decentralized solution to be your own bank and connect your crypto earnings to real world bills and payments. They do not take custody of your assets and allow support on multiple blockchains and Web3 wallets. Sign up below using my referral link and you will get $50 back when you make your first $50 bill payment with crypto. Additionally, I will be using referral bonuses to airdrop, donate, or burn based on community feedback. Sign up now.